inside Manchester's incredible transformation. Few cities in the world have rewritten their story as dramatically as Manchester. Once the beating heart of the Industrial Revolution, a city of cotton mills, chimneys, and the hum of machinery, Manchester has become a modern powerhouse of creativity, culture, and innovation. From abandoned factories to sleek glass towers, from smoke to skyline, this city's comeback has been nothing short of extraordinary. Welcome to Inside Manchester's incredible transformation, a journey through the 8 defining changes that turned a fading industrial giant into one of Britain's most exciting cities. Northern Powerhouse rises. If you want to understand the new Manchester, start here. The city is the proud face of the Northern Powerhouse, a government-led initiative designed to boost growth in northern England. But Manchester took that label and ran with it, fast. From Spinningfields, the city's modern financial district, to Mayfield and Noma, regeneration projects have attracted billions in investment from across Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. Skyscrapers now glint where derelict mills once stood, and cranes are constant companions in the skyline. Yet Manchester's ambition isn't just about height, it's about identity. The city has positioned itself as the capital of the North, confident, forward-looking, and globally connected. Universities like the University of Manchester and Manchester Metropolitan University continue to attract international talent, while tech startups and creative agencies are moving in fast. This global outlook has redefined Manchester's image, not as a shadow of London, but as a self-sustaining hub of innovation and growth. The rise of urban living. A generation ago, living in the centre of Manchester wasn't something most people dreamed about. The warehouses were empty, the streets quiet after dark. Fast forward to today, and the city centre is alive 24/7. Over 70,000 people now call central Manchester home, up from fewer than 1,000 in the 1990s. Once abandoned factories have been reborn as loft apartments, trendy cafes, and co-working studios. The Northern Quarter, Ancoats, and Castlefield are buzzing with life, places where old brick meets new glass, and the scent of espresso drifts past Victorian archways. Young professionals, students, and families alike are embracing this new urban rhythm. The shift isn't just about convenience, it's about culture. Living close to theatres, galleries, and world-class restaurants has made city life more magnetic than ever. Manchester's urban renewal has turned what was once a symbol of industrial decline into one of Britain's most desirable postcodes. A cultural and sporting renaissance. Few cities blend culture and sport quite like Manchester. Walk its streets and you'll hear music from open bars, see crowds heading to gigs, and fans wearing red or blue, symbols of a city that lives through its passions. The Manchester Art Gallery, Home Theatre, and the newly opened Factory International, a cultural mega-venue, showcase the city's artistic evolution. Add to that the eternal pull of Manchester United and Manchester City, and you get a city that thrives on creativity and competition alike. From legendary music venues like the Hacienda in the 1980s to global festivals today, Manchester has been exporting culture for decades. Oasis, the Smiths, the 1975. They all carry Manchester's sound to the world. This creative heartbeat is what gives Manchester its soul. Proof that transformation isn't only about buildings, but about people, energy, and expression. Heritage reimagined. Old bones, new life. Manchester's revival didn't come by erasing its past, it came by embracing it. The city's historic buildings, once symbols of decay, are now treasured assets of modern living. Ancoats, once called the world's first industrial suburb, has become a model for heritage regeneration. Old cotton mills now house chic apartments and indie bakeries. The Royal Mills, with its iron columns and red brick charm, stands as a monument to preservation done right. This approach, called adaptive reuse, has allowed Manchester to retain its unique texture. The city feels old yet new, like a vinyl record remastered for modern ears. Unlike many urban renewals that flatten history, Manchester's architects have woven the past into the present, turning nostalgia into neighbourhoods. Walk around and you'll see how its transformation is both creative and respectful. A love letter to its industrial DNA. A skyline on the rise. If you left Manchester 20 years ago and returned today, you might not recognise it. The skyline, once defined by mill chimneys, now gleams with futuristic towers. Landmarks like Beetham Tower, Deansgate Square, and the upcoming viaducts development have redefined the city's silhouette. But Manchester's high-rise story isn't just about ambition, it's about necessity. As more people move in and investment pours through, vertical living became the natural evolution. Still, amid the steel and glass, Manchester hasn't lost its human touch. Public squares, rooftop gardens, and riverside paths ensure that growth comes with green balance. Projects like Castlefield Viaduct Urban Park, a repurposed railway bridge turned into a sky garden, show how innovation and sustainability can coexist. This blend of modern architecture and open space makes the city both global in scale and grounded in soul. Transport, a network built for the future. You can't talk about transformation without mentioning how Manchester moves. The expansion of the Metrolink tram system, now the largest light rail network in the UK, has stitched together the entire Greater Manchester region. Add to that the multi-million-pound refurbishments of Manchester Victoria and Oxford Road stations, as well as direct connections to Manchester Airport, and you've got one of the most efficient regional transport systems in the country. The city is also preparing for the HS2 rail link, which will connect Manchester to London and Birmingham in record time, although under review, much of the infrastructure planning remains beneficial. Meanwhile, investments in cycle lanes, electric buses, and park and ride systems are pushing for a greener future. Manchester isn't just rebuilding its streets, it's reinventing how people experience them. Salford Quays, the waterfront revolution. Just a few miles from the city centre lies one of Manchester's proudest achievements, Salford Quays. Once a neglected dockland, it's now a beacon of urban regeneration that rivals London's Canary Wharf in vision, if not in size. The transformation began in the 1980s when developers reclaimed the derelict Manchester docks, creating a mixed-use waterfront. Today, the area gleams with glass offices, apartments, and cultural landmarks. The Lowry, Imperial War Museum North, and Media City UK have turned Salford Quays into an economic and artistic powerhouse. It's where BBC and ITV share postcodes, and where filmmakers, coders, and digital creatives walk the same boardwalks once used by dock workers. Cafes line the water, trams glide past theatres, and sunsets reflect off mirrored towers, proof that industrial land can be reborn into beauty. Salford Quays shows what happens when vision meets opportunity. And Manchester never looked back. From Cottonopolis to the creative capital. At the heart of inside Manchester's incredible transformation lies its greatest triumph, the reinvention of identity. Manchester was once the global centre of cotton, the city that powered the Industrial Revolution. When the mills closed, it could have faded into history. Instead, it reinvented itself as the creative capital of the North. Today, the city's economy thrives on digital innovation, education, music, film, and science. The University of Manchester leads research in everything from AI to graphene. The Science and Industry Museum sits proudly in the world's first passenger railway station, a poetic reminder of how far the city has come. Media City UK alone supports tens of thousands of jobs in broadcasting, design and technology. Independent art scenes in the Northern Quarter, film studios in old Granada buildings and tech accelerators at Manchester Science Park all tell the same story, a city that never stopped creating. Manchester isn't just surviving, it's setting the pace for Britain's modern renaissance. Inside Manchester's incredible transformation isn't just a tale of buildings and cranes. It's a story of people, pride, and perseverance. From its industrial ashes, Manchester forged a new identity built on culture, innovation, and courage. The city once powered the world with cotton. Today, it powers it with creativity. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.